Hi, this is Tabik Suhaib from Master of Eras. So today I'm going to show you how to create reflection in Photoshop in just 1 minute. So first select the rectangular murky tool and make the selection like this, and press Ctrl plus J to copy it, and press Ctrl plus T to transform this layer. Right click on it and then flip vertically. So I'm going to drag it here like this, and we have an extra part of our first layer. So what I'm going to do is select this layer, press C and drag it up just like this and press enter. So the move tool, and what I'm going to do is press Ctrl and then click on this layer and then create a mask like this, and then unlink this layer, select the image, go to the filter, blur and motion blur like this. So what I'm going to do is the distance will be like 15 and then angle will be 90 like this, and press OK, and then again go to the filter, blur and then Gaussian blur. It seems a lot to me, so what I'm going to do is I just need just like 3. It seems fine to me, and press OK. After that I just want to make the water darker, so what I'm going to do is go to the adjustment layer and then levels. In levels I'm just going to drag this white area to the dark side, and then the whole image is getting darker. So what I'm going to do is press this layer to clip it just like this, so this area only get darker. So as you can see, the edge of the water is getting sharp. So what I'm going to do is select the mask and increase the feather a little bit just like this, and as you can see it getting better now. So let's see the after and before results, and that's how you can create reflection in Photoshop in just 1 minute.